AKG has and always will be dedicated to the impact of sound and of music on our lives.
Exclusive to Cadillac, this is AKG's first collaboration of its kind. We're pushing the boundaries of what you thought automotive audio could be and introducing a whole new level of in-vehicle listening experience.
Since its founding in 1947 in Vienna, a city with an incredible musical legacy, the name AKG has become synonymous with the highest sound standards and is revered for its dedication to acoustic perfection by engineers, artists, and producers all over the world. It's been a part of some of the music industry's most iconic and memorable moments, and is now a constant presence on tours and in studios all over the world. This is an audio brand of the highest quality, where creativity, innovation, and craftsmanship are at the heart of its DNA. AKG is truly dedicated to letting the creativity born in the studio shine through. After more than 50 years of bringing sound from the studio to the stage, we are beyond excited to introduce AKG's latest innovation in collaboration with the perfect automotive brand who embodies our values and our vision, Cadillac.
Our goal in developing the audio systems was to deliver professional studio sound in every seat in the vehicle. Users will have the opportunity to experience a multi-channel audio system with carefully placed speakers, finely tuned to deliver sound precisely as it was inspired. It's like a personal VIP studio session. Exclusively for Cadillac, we built two distinct AKG audio systems. First, standard on the Escalade, is the AKG Studio System with 19 speakers on 14 amplifier channels and surround with proprietary software that maintains the original intent of the recording artist. Second, available on the Escalade is the AKG Studio Reference System. It contains 36 speakers, 4 of which are in the headliner, on 28 amplifier channels, and a surround 3D slider that's customizable by the user to create a fully immersive experience. AKG Studio Reference is standard on Platinum models, as is befitting the highest levels of Cadillac luxury. All of this combines to create a rich acoustic environment with unmatched clarity and precision.
What makes this collaboration so special? It's an obsession of innovation and creativity for AKG and Cadillac, driven by the desire to continually evolve and to never be satisfied. It's for the creatives, it's for the bold, for those who want more from their experiences, and for those who never stop arriving. Cadillac was the only automaker we wanted to work with to bring AKG to this whole new level, to help develop our vision of AKG as the what's next in sound. Together, AKG and Cadillac have developed a high-end audio system in the all-new 2021 Escalade.
We have an array of impressive and new technologies we've implemented in the new Cadillac Escalade. With conversation enhancement, microphone arrays will pick up the occupants' voices and transmit them from the front row to the rear row or rear row to the front row, making sure everyone is included in the conversation. Navigation rendering using real-time spatial audio imaging will enhance navigation prompts and turn-by-turn directions. For example, when you hear turn right, the sound will be from the speakers on the right side of the vehicle. Surround mode utilizes a unique audio algorithm that analyzes the audio content and provides a very immersive surround field. The rear surround mode provides a unique audio tuning specifically for the second row. The front passenger volume feature allows the front passenger to take control of their volume level. It allows them to raise or lower the volume relative to the rest of the vehicle. All of this new technology has been designed to produce features that are simple and clear for the user, so they'll have no trouble making the most of them.
Like AKG and Cadillac, music and driving are a natural fit. With the pure studio sound of AKG, you'll uncover nuances in your favorite tracks you've never heard before, making the process of enjoying new music even more rewarding than ever. AKG's cutting-edge technology makes every trip easier. Turn-by-turn navigation will certainly get you in the direction you're heading, but how often have you missed a turn or an exit because it comes up too quickly, especially with a car full of people and communication? With AKG's navigation rendering, you can be secure in knowing your Escalade will get you exactly where you need to go. With sophisticated materials and finishes, the highest attention to detail, and a focus on innovation and craftsmanship, AKG and Cadillac have brought to the Escalade the finest audio system we've ever assembled. The next evolution of car audio innovation has arrived.